The calculated load case and the calculated resistance of a building, or in our case of an anchor, is always in combination with a distinct service life. At the end of the service life, the building needs to be redesigned for reutilization and the anchors need to be checked or replaced. Lately, it is possible in European technical assessments, according to the latest EADs for adhesive anchors, to achieve approvals for a service life of 100 years. Depending on the important class of the building and depending on the application, the anchorage needs to be designed for a service life of 100 years. 50 years is the normal service life for normal application of anchors, whereas 100 years is a service life which you need, for example, for bridges or tunnels. The additional expert report of the engineering office IEA in Stuttgart certifies that the injection mortar FIS EM Plus is the only system currently available on the market for a service life of 120 years. The additional expert reports of the IEA offers the possibility to qualify for additional features of the anchorages which go beyond the current ETA. In particular, for infrastructure projects, such as bridges and tunnels, a design for a long service life is necessary. In the European technical assessments, which were existing until now, a design for a service life of 50 years was normal and the only service life that was covered. Now, with the new EAD, a service life for a design of 100 years is covered, and the FIS EM Plus is one of the first injection mortars that covers the long service life. The ETA assessment proves the durability and the suitability of the injection mortar FIS EM Plus for such severe applications. The injection mortar system FIS EM Plus is an epoxy-based anchorage system with excellent load values for cracked and non-cracked concrete. Besides, it is certified for applications under seismic conditions in the categories C1 and C2. Installation can be performed even at very low installation temperatures, down to -5 degrees Celsius. Besides, the European technical assessment covers the utilization of reinforcement bars and normal threaded rods. The injection mortar system FIS EM Plus is additionally certified according to the VOC rating A+. Besides, it can be used in diamond core drilled holes without roughening the drill hole surface, and in dust-free areas of building sites, the utilization in combination with a hollow drill bit is covered in the European technical assessment.